how King Charles cools Buckingham Palace without using air conditioning. As the UK braces for temperatures nearing 30 degrees Celsius, excitement for a summer filled with sun and outdoor activities is mounting. Yet, with this warmth comes the challenge of coping with the heat, especially in a country where air conditioning isn't typically installed in homes, as hot spells are relatively rare. One intriguing question is how large structures, such as royal palaces, manage during these unusual heat waves. King Charles's cool solution for the royal residence. Buckingham Palace, while not the primary home of King Charles and Queen Camilla, serves as their main workplace. This grand building, with its 775 rooms including staterooms, royal bedrooms, staff rooms, bathrooms, and offices, is where they and numerous staff members spend a significant amount of time. Given the palace's origins in the 1700s, it's undergone numerous modernizations, yet air conditioning hasn't been added. Instead, it relies on a clever method called stack ventilation. This technique uses the palace's 760 windows and over 1,500 doors to allow warm air to exit through higher openings, keeping cooler air circulating inside. This approach, designed long before air conditioning was available, ensures a comfortable environment for the royal occupants without relying on modern cooling systems. King Charles' commitment to environmental responsibility. Furthermore, it's evident that King Charles is passionate about environmental causes, with energy conservation high on his list of priorities. According to a report by Hello in 2023, the heating at Buckingham Palace was reduced to minimize energy usage, with temperatures set at 19 degrees Celsius in winter and lowered further in empty rooms. Moreover, there's an ongoing 10-year project to overhaul the palace's electrical, plumbing, and heating systems. This is not only for ecological benefits, but also to safeguard the historic structure. The official royal website states that such extensive renovations are crucial to avoid long-term damage, ensuring the palace remains functional for decades to come. In summary, Buckingham Palace showcases how centuries-old architecture can be adapted to contemporary needs, all while championing environmental consciousness, a commitment central to King Charles's ethos.